The best example I like in this space is something we've probably all grown up on, the Nigerian scam or the Nigerian prince sending us an email that says, I need $200 and you need to wire it. For the most part, the past 15 years, those emails that come out are very clearly bad grammar, very bad to read, that even my mother at 70 will look at it and say, this looks like it's a scam. Today, you can go into ChatGPT and ask it to write that same email sitting in a cafe in Nigeria, even if your English is not going to be the best, and you can pull off the most beautiful looking email that can be sent to my mom, and she can look at it and say, well, this looks real, this might be real, and she may click on it. The ends to this game is not so much to get them to click on it as much as it is to get their financial credentials. Everybody is moving to stored value credits. They want you to not do guest checkouts. They want you to be creating accounts. If I ask you to log in and give me that information, now I have your login and password, or I have your credit card number, and I can, at scale, as Avery was talking about, commit fraud that allows you to do things that you previously couldn't do. And I think that's where AI is starting to get interesting. It's not a human versus AI anymore. Companies like ours and Avery's have built AI products for a while. It's now AI versus AI.